Print and apply HP picture stickers. You can print photos or images as HP picture stickers and apply them to decorate your space in fun and personal ways. Stick them on your walls, locker, laptop, or cut them out for scrapbooks. You can even move them later. We'll show you how in just a couple minutes, so you can start printing and making your space your own. First, load either an A6 size, 4x6 inch, or an A4 size, 8.5 by 11 inch, HP picture sticker, logo side up, into your printer input tray. For printers with a top load tray, place the HP picture sticker in with the HP logo side down, facing the tray. On your device, open the HP app. If you don't have the HP app, you can get it for free from 123.hp.com or your app store. Select your printer. Select Print Photos and choose the photo you want. Select the correct paper size option. Then select Next. Select Print. The photo prints out dry to the touch. To apply, start at a corner and peel the liner back. Apply from top to bottom and push out any air bubbles as you go. HP picture stickers can also be easily removed and restuck to another surface. Just start from a corner and carefully peel the print off the surface. Then, reapply to another surface using the same method as before.